The Great Hazelnut Harvest 2021, day 9. We're into our second week of picking here. As you can probably hear, we're back at Hazel Acres and I've got the grain bin dryer going. We're blowing some air up onto those hazelnuts so that they'll dry, and we have got all sorts of nuts to pick here today. We've got bushes that are ripe and ready to go, so we're going to keep picking and see how much we can get in by the end of the day. Stay tuned. Okay, I think we got the problem solved with the dryer fan here, so we're going to turn it on. Now, warning, this is going to be loud. I repeat, this is going to be loud. Well, the good, the bad, and the ugly here at Hazel Acres. So another example of a mulberry that's gotten out of hand that we got to cut out of there. And so we'll do that here shortly after we get done harvesting. We'll go through the orchard and cut out a lot of the mulberries and the ash trees and other things that have come up and get them out of there. Well, the old drying bin's starting to get pretty full. So the nuts at the top of your screen there have been drying for just about a week here. And then of course those at the bottom you can see are pretty green yet. Just put in today. So that's the end of day 9 of the Great Hazelnut Harvest 2021. Join us tomorrow for day 10 and see what exciting things we'll have in store.